Okay, so by this point, you should have seen the video from Gauss, or we've had the conversation in class, and taken a look at that worksheet. And from that, if you were able to gather this, if you have a arithmetic series, now the word series, all that means is instead of just listing the numbers, we're now adding the numbers. So if you have any kind of sequence that you want to start adding together using summation, that is now called a series. It's just a definition that you shouldn't really concern yourself with. But suppose we're starting to add some of these numbers together. And we're going to start with, remember, the first term, and we end with the nth term. So if you can piece together what you saw in Gauss's model, what did he do? He always added the first term in the sequence, and he stopped with the last term. So he was adding the first term in whatever sequence was being added to the last term. And he found out what that sum was. And after he found that sum, he realized that the total number of terms in the sum, which is always given by this number up here, if you take half of that, that's the total number of sums that you're going to have, those partial sums. So he's always taking half of the number of terms in the sequence. So what we have from this is our overall formula for finding any partial sum of an arithmetic series. This is a formula you're going to need to know backwards and forwards, up and down.